Well, it's a blizzard. It's Christmas Eve. And I guess blizzards wouldn't be that unusual on Christmas Eve. Except this blizzard is right here in Azle, Texas. On our front porch yet. We just came back from a ministry trip to Pennsylvania and Connecticut. There was blizzards above us and blizzards west of us and east of us, and we never were in a blizzard all the time we were in the North Country. But here we are at home, and here we are in a blizzard on Christmas Eve. And we don't mind because we love the snow.